Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's class we will learn about the properties of light. One of the properties of light, that is the polarization of light. We already known about some properties that are the reflection, refraction and dispersion. Okay, so here it is one of the property of light, that is polarization. So what is this concept and how it occurs, we will discuss in detail in this class. Okay. So initially we have to know that light can travel in all direction. It can travel in all possible directions. Okay. So common source of light, it will emit the light in all possible directions. Common source of light means what? Here I have given some examples. Incandescent bulb means our regular bulb, then the candle flame or the fluorescent bulb. Now these sources, they are emitting light in all possible directions. So I have shown with arrow also, by the side by direction they can emit the light in perpendicular direction, in horizontal direction, in direction with the making angle theta with the horizontal or with the vertical. So here we have shown some directions, all possible directions is not possible, so some directions in 2D diagram. Okay, so these sources of light can emit the light in all possible directions. Okay, the type of light which has been gone through all possible direction is called as unpolarized light. Means that can able to move in any direction, that type of light is called as a unpolarized light. Okay, so we can represent this with this symbol in all possible directions, and one more way is there to represent this. Okay, so when these ray of light, they are they are made to move in only single direction or single plane, then दिस कन्सेप्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ पोलरायझेशन ऑफ लाईट. म्हणजे सगळे डायरेक्शनमध्ये जी पॉसिबिलिटी होती लाईट वेव्हच्या मूव्ह होण्याची, त्यातले सगळे पॉसिबिलिटीमधले फक्त एकच जो आहे डायरेक्शन ते अलाव करतात. बाकीचे डायरेक्शन जे ते दॅट वी हॅव टू कट ऑफ. देन ओनली in one direction the light will travel. This concept is called as a polarization of light. That means here I have shown that out of all possible direction, only single straight line we are going to pass through the further direction. So this straight line means only one possible direction, upward and downward means vertical direction. So this concept or this light or this property of light is called as a polarization of light. Okay, so instead of showing by this various number of lines in all direction, there is one another way to represent the ray. So instead of showing by various arrows, we are showing by this method. Here the vertical arrow in the upward direction, downward direction with a dot at the center. Here this symbol represents the unpolarized light. Okay, so the vertical line, it will represents the vibrations in the plane of paper. Okay, so vibrations in the plane of paper means what? According to the surface of the paper. And the dot will represent the vibrations in the perpendicular direction of the plane of the paper. Means it can move through the paper and then upward direction. Okay, so this can represent as a unpolarized light. So how to make the polarized light? For that we are always using a polarizer. Polarizer, or it is also called as a crystallographic axis. Okay, so in that you have seen here in the diagram, the middle part, it is a hexagon shape, it is a crystal, and we have to make it as a slit, and that slit is vertical, in the vertical direction. So the middle dotted line in that crystal, it is the axis or the slit that will allow the light to pass through it. Okay, so this is called as a polarizer because it has ability to polarize the light. So from one side, means left hand side, when unpolarized light is moving towards the crystal, towards the polarizer, after passing through that, unpolarized light will convert into the polarized light. See the symbol change, straight line with a dot, unpolarized light, and other side there is only a straight line, without doubt. Means it is a single direction wave. That means the wave which is allowed to pass through the axis of that polarizer, जे आपण स्लिट केले होते, that is nothing but the axis of the polarizer. Only one direction is allowed to pass through this crystal, and that is only observed to the another side. Okay, this is method to polarize the light. So here we can define the polarization of light. The restriction of light in only one direction, which is perpendicular to the plane of the paper, is called as a polarization of light. Or we can only simply say that restriction of light only in one direction is called as a polarization of light. Okay, so other directions is cut off and only one direction is allowed to pass through forward direction. That light is polarized light, and this property is called as a polarization of light. Okay, now here two different definitions will come. The first one I have discussed through this diagram. See, observe here. The plane I have drawn here, the plane is ABCD. Okay, ABCD, this plane contains the slit that is from the polarizer. So slit according to plane hai ABCD, that means in the vertical direction. Okay, so it is called as a plane of vibration. The plane in which vibration of light can take place is called as a plane of vibration. पोलरायझेशनच्या नंतर ज्या प्लेन मध्ये व्हायब्रेशन्स पॉसिबल आहेत त्या प्लेनला म्हणतात प्लेन ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन. अदर तर आपण कट केलेले आहेत. सो जिथं व्हायब्रेशन होतात त्या प्लेनला म्हणतात प्लेन ऑफ व्हायब्रेशन. ओके, सो इट इज रिप्रेझेंटेड हिअर विथ दिस प्लेन ABCD. नाउ देयर इज अनदर प्लेन that I have shown here with the PQRS. PQRS हा exactly perpendicular है ABCD ला. Okay, so the plane which is perpendicular to plane of vibration and where there is no vibrations takes place is called as plane of polarization. जिथं polarization घडवून आणले आपण, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला एकही रे ऑफ लाईट व्हायब्रेट होताना दिसणार नाही, that is plane of polarization. Okay, so how to define properly? The plane which is perpendicular to plane of vibration and where there is no vibrations takes place is called as plane of polarization. So these two important definitions are there. Plane of vibration where vibrations can take place, plane of polarization where no vibrations can take place. म्हणजे जिथं कट ऑफ केलेलं आहे ते सगळे प्लेन्स असणार आहेत प्लेन ऑफ पोलरायझेशन. ओके, सो हाऊ the intensity will change when the light can pass through the polarization, or after polarization what is the effect on intensity, and this will also helpful us for the demonstrate that the light has a transverse in nature. Okay, so हे दोन्ही साठी आपण यूज करू शकतो. So for that we are using here two crystal. The first one it is called as a polarizer, and second one same, it is also polarizer, but here we are using it as a analyzer. Okay, so both are of same size, same shape and same material. Okay, polarizer and analyzer. Now observe here, unpolarized light through the left hand, it is passing through the polarizer. It is unpolarized light, let its intensity it is I0. Okay, so when it passing through the polarizer it gets polarized. So now we are getting the polarized light. So since it is only having two direction, unpolarized light, only plane of paper and perpendicular to plane of paper, so here one direction is cut off. Here we are getting only the single direction, that is the plane of the paper. Okay, so here the half of the light is cut off due to this polarizer. So I0 means intensity of light after polarization will become exactly half. So we are getting here I is equals to I0 by 2. So polarized light have intensity here I0 by 2. Now later on analyzer is kept there. So suppose if analyzer is kept such as its axis it is exactly parallel to the axis of polarizer. तो जो slit area है that is exactly parallel to the polarizer. Then what we will get here, the ray of light which is polarized will as it is pass through the analyzer. So opposite side we will get the same polarized light. You have seen here that polarized light, then the axis of the analyzer it is parallel to the polarizer. After passing through the analyzer, the light will as it is pass through that. कारण कट होण्यासाठी ते जे स्लिट आहे त्याची डायरेक्शन पोलराइज लाईटची डायरेक्शन सेम आहे, सो दे कॅन इझिली पास थ्रू दॅट analyzer. So here we are getting the same output. Now see, if we change the direction, if we change the direction of the axis of the analyzer or angle of the analyzer, if we change, see here analyzer, we are rotating that analyzer through an angle theta. Okay, so by any angle theta we can rotate it. So if we slowly rotate this, the output slowly it gets intensity decreasing. So in the output we are getting the decreasing intensity polarized light. But when this angle theta becomes exactly 90 degree, not a single ray will allow to pass through this analyzer. So output we are getting no light. See, there is a blank line only. There is no polarized light observed as a output. So here for this condition we are getting that there is no polarized light from the analyzer. From the polarizer we are getting, but from the analyzer we are not getting here. So it can conclude that, or we can conclude from this that light rays are traveling in the form of crust and trough. So when they are coming in the form of crust and trough in the vertical direction, they can pass through the analyzer when analyzer is parallel to the polarizer. So when we change the angle of the analyzer, the waves are coming through one direction only with the help in the concept of that crust and trough, means transverse waves. So when the angle will change, the ray of light it possesses some difficulties to pass through the analyzer, and when it becomes exactly 90 degree, no crust or no trough can pass through this axis of analyzer. So we are getting no light to the other side. So this concept will help us to discuss about the polarization in detail, all definition and all concepts about the polarization. So polarization, this concept will help us to deduce that the light has transverse nature. Okay, hope you understand these all concepts. If you have any doubt regarding any concept, please comment here, like our videos, share it and subscribe our channel.